Welcome students. In this video, I will solve question number 1 to 3 of exercise 2.3. It's all about multiplying the fractions in the form of improper and mixed, then simplifying them. Means we have to reduce the fractions to lowest form. So let's start. First question is multiplying and reduce to lowest form. Multiply and reduce to lowest form. Now first part, there are 4 parts. First is 9 into 2 upon 5. So we have to multiply. So 9 2 ja 18 upon 5. Now you have to divide 18 by 5. So I am doing rough work here. 5 3 ja 15. Okay, and 3 is remainder. So it is 3 and 3 upon 5. The answer is 3 and 3 upon 5. This is the answer of first part. And second part, 5 into 3 upon 7. So 5 3 ja 15 upon 7. Students, this exercise is the easiest exercise. Okay, 15 upon 7. Again divide 15 by 7. So you know it is 2 times. Okay, I am going to tell you how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction without division. So आप अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो इजीली इसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. 15 divided by 7 2 times. 7 2 ja 14. What is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So write remainder here and 7 as a denominator. ये जो 7 है ये always denominator में आएगा, remainder यहाँ पे numerator में आएगा. So 7 2 ja 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. So the answer is 2 and 1 upon 7. Okay, and I solve fourth part. So it is 5 upon 3 into 27. Now multiply. So 27 5 ja 135 upon 3. Okay, and divide 135 by 3. So here 135 by 3. 3 4 ja 12. 1 remainder 15. 3 5 ja 15. So the answer is 45. Okay, the answer of fourth part is 45. Students, note it down. I think इसमें ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क की जरूरत नहीं है, इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं आप. Now move to second question. Second question is multiply and expressed as a mixed fraction. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So first question is 6 into 2 and 1 upon 9. Okay, reduce to lowest form. Now in this question we have to convert into mixed fraction. So it is 6 into 2 and 1 upon 9. So it is 6 into, listen carefully, 9. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper, and finally we have to write the answer in mixed fraction again. 9 2 ja 18 plus 1 19 upon 9. Okay, again multiply. Now you can see that it is 9. Then you can multiply 6 by 19, or you can cut both these numbers with any number. So you can take either of the approaches. 19 6 ja 6 9 ja 54. So it is 114 upon 9. Now the division. So divide by 9, 9 1 ja 9, 2 remainder, 4 is copied, and it is 9 2 ja 18, so it is 6 remainder, 12 and 6 upon 9. Okay students, one more thing, before you do this division process, if both these values can be cancelled out, means they can be divisible, you have to convert this fraction into simplest form first. Now try to divide. See, this number is divisible by 3. I told you the divisibility test, sum of these 1 1 4, that is 6. 6 is divisible, so try to divide by 3. 3 3 ja 9, it is 3 3 ja 9, 3 8 ja 24. Now divide 38 by 3. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3, 8, 3 2 ja 6 and 2, that is 12 and 2 upon 3. Okay, the answer is 12 and 2 upon 3, and I erase this one. So the answer of second and first part, 12 and 2 upon 3. Second part is 5 and 1 upon 4, 5 and 1 upon 4 into 6. Now convert this into improper fraction. 4 5 are 20, plus 1 21, 21 upon 4 into 6. Okay, and you can see that these 4 and 6 can be divided by 2. Easily divide कर सकते हैं. 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6. Now 21 3 जा 63 upon 2. Perform the division. So 63 upon 2, 2 3 ja 6, there is 3, 2 1 ja 2. So I hope I don't need to explain the division. आपको division अच्छे से आता है. So it is 31 and 1 upon 2. 31 and 1 upon 2, and no need to show this division. Okay students, pause the video and note it down. I am going to solve next part. Okay, there are only 3 parts, so I have solved 2 parts. 3 will be solved by you as the part of assignment. So third question is find. This question is important. Okay, first part is find 1 upon 2 of 2 and 1 upon 9. It is 1 upon 2 of 3 and 2 upon 9. Now see what is special in this question. What is the meaning of of? The meaning of is multiplication. Okay, जब भी आपको इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में ऑफ दिखता हो, आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज सिमिलर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2. So all the questions are similar in some way. So solve it. 1 upon 2. This of is converted into multiplication. 9 3 ja 27 plus 2 29 upon 9. Now multiply all the numerators and multiply all the denominators. Perform the division. So as you can see, 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36. So we consider 18 1 ja 18. What is the remainder? 11 is remainder, and we write 18. So the answer is 1 and 11 upon 18. And there are total 3 parts. So I am going to solve third part. Third part is 1 upon 3 of 3 and 2 upon 9. Again 3 and 2 upon 9. Okay. So follow the same procedure. 1 upon 3 of means multiply. 9 3 ja 27 plus 2 29. 29 upon 9. It is 29 upon 27. Multiply all the numerators and multiply all the denominators. Okay, so 29 and 27 are close to each other. So 27 1 are 27, remainder will be 2, and this is the mixed fraction. So the answer is 1 and 2 upon 27. It is the answer of third part of third question, 1 and 2 upon 27. So students, I have finished first 3 questions of exercise 2.3. okay, and सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत इजी हैं. सो बी सिंसियर, solve the questions in your assignment. You can ask your doubt in the doubt section of your app. Stay at home, stay healthy. Have a good day.